and I do share 99.9% of the same DNA. We do. But we don't often have the same thoughts. We don't. I'm quite nervous. Anyway, now magpies actually got their name from their colour, which is black and white, as Wendy would like to say as well. Think about it. You've got magpie larks, magpie geese. It refers to their black and white plumage. Not because they were holding a magazine or a pie. What did you say, Jerry? Oh, it's not because it's you know, because of that. Not because of magpie larks or magpie geese or black and white magpie.